when adding images to your site, it's important to both follow copyright and model copyright to your students. So one really easy place to go, there are other places, but this is the easiest place that I find, is to go to the Creative Commons search site. So if I'm in Google and I just search for Creative Commons, one of the options is Creative Commons Search. Once I choose that, I have all different places where I can search for images, including Google Images. So there's a lot of images on Google that violate copyright if you were to reuse them. However, if I search for those images through the Creative Commons search engine right here, it will allow me to find those images that I am usually legally able to use. I still do a little bit more investigation to make sure that I can use it. Another one that I really like to use is Wikimedia Commons, and a lot of real high quality images come from Pixabay. It's one of my favorite authors or sites that has a lot of high quality images. But I'm just going to keep it on Google Images, and I'm just going to enter biology. And you'll see that there are all kinds of images. It automatically shows that the search, it's filtered it by labeled for reuse with modification. I found one a little while ago that I would like to use on my site. It's one of an animal cell. Alright, so here's the animal cell I was looking for. And now, just to be sure that I can use this, I want to do a little bit more investigation. This is Wikimedia Commons, which tells me that it most likely is usable. But I'm going to go ahead and go to the visit page just to see more information about that particular slide. I can download it, I can use it, okay, I can do several things with it. I want to see what it says on use this file on the web. And it gives me the URL of the page in the file. It also gives me the actual attribution information that I can include on the website. But I thought this was very interesting to note. It does tell me that attribution is not legally required. However, we do want to be as transparent as possible, and we want to give credit where credit is due as often as possible. So we're actually going to use the attribution as well. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And when I download it, this is one little trick that I have found. I want to just do a medium size. And what I like to do at the end of my title is actually put the attribution information in there so that when I use it in years going forward, I know exactly where it came from, who the author is, and all of that, right, attached to that file. And then that file is free for me to use now with the attribution that I can include on my web page.